Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So in today's video I am going to unbox new MacBook Pro M2. So I am really excited about this one, so let's straight dive into it. First of all, let me show packaging. I am going to open the package now. I remove the strip 1 and then the strip 2. It has 16 GB RAM and 512 GB SSD. It's 14-inch MacBook Pro with Apple M2 Pro chip. I removed the wrapping and the first thing I notice is the beautiful space gray color of the laptop. Let's see what more in the box. There are two black Apple logo stickers, manual and safety instructions. Next, I find the USB-C to MagSafe charging cable. There is a power adapter of 67 wattage. The charging cable is USB-C to USB-C, which is perfect since the MacBook Pro M2 only has USB-C ports. Here I have the first looks at the 14-inch Liquid Retina XDR display. Next, let's explore ports of the laptop on both the sides. On the right side, HDMI, Thunderbolt 4, USB-C and SDX card slot. On the left side, we find MagSafe charging slot, two Thunderbolt USB-C ports and headphone jack of 3.5 mm. The keyboard is another standout feature of the MacBook Pro M2. It's the new Magic Keyboard, which has been completely redesigned with a new layout and key shape. The typing experience is comfortable and responsive, making it a joy to use. Overall, I am extremely impressed with the MacBook Pro M2. It's a beautiful machine with top-of-the-line specs and features. It's perfect for anyone who needs a powerful portable laptop. I can't wait to see what this machine is capable of, and I am sure it will exceed my expectations. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.